everybody, I'm Jennifer from the Elyria Public Library System, here to share with you a teen crafty craziness. Now for this one, it's going to be a little different. We're going to do a snack. So I have popcorn and some oil, and you can do this right at home. So what you need is 2 paper bags. You're going to put one inside the other. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add your popcorn kernels, and you need about 1/4 cup. Then you need 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and it could be vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever you use on hand at your house. And we're going to pour that right on top of those kernels. And then here's the fun part. You have to shake it up. Now, once that's done, what you're going to do is you're going to crinkle the bag so you can kind of seal it. And then we're going to stick it in the microwave. Now, most microwaves have a popcorn setting. And remember, the key with popcorn is not the time, it's the sound. So you want to hear all of those kernels pop. Once you hear the pop, pop, pop done, that means it's done. Don't let it keep going. It'll burn and it won't taste very good. So let's go. Okay, so mine took about 1 and 30 seconds, but yours could take longer or it could take shorter. Remember, it's always waiting for that pop. And remember, it came from the microwave, so the bag may be hot. So what you're gonna do is open it up just like you would if you bought popcorn from the store. You let some of that heat escape, and oh, I have a beautiful snack. So now I can add some salt or some butter, whatever I choose, or I could just eat it right now, and you have your very own popcorn snack. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos, you can go to elyrialibrary.org.